So it's November. What's the update with the SNAP benefit? Something about it's being tried in court now to see if this is legal.
Well, so you have to understand how it works, right? The USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, that's where the funding comes from for SNAP benefits, right? So when you shut the government down, the whole idea is you don't have a budget bill from Congress. So if you don't have a budget, and then this current funding ends tomorrow in November, right? So tomorrow it's done. So they're saying like, oh, you don't have a bill. I don't have instructions for the next budget cycle, so I can't disperse any funds. So that's the position of the USDA. Now you have like a bunch of states, including DC, suing, saying that the USDA does have the ability, does have contingency funds without the budget being passed to distribute it. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of justifications in there, people getting hurt, all that good stuff, right? But the question really is like who wins on precedent? The USDA says like I can't do this because I don't have the authority unless I get a budget. But the people suing, the states that are suing, are saying in 2019 you did disperse it without a budget. I mean, that's the case precedent what I read. I don't know the details on that. And they're saying that they're being capricious. Basically, like you shouldn't take this, you should just use the contingency funds and do it because it's there for that reason. It was pre-approved before, and the executive branch shouldn't be stopping you from doing that, right? So I'm not a lawyer. I'm not, I don't understand these precedents. I don't know, but that's basically what's going on right now. They're suing right now. The real impact, the reality of things is like what's going to happen next week or whenever the next round of SNAP stuff is. Like if they win, is the money going in? Because apparently the USDA has the money, but they're not willing to on bureaucratic or process issues, right? So I don't know. That's kind of the narrative right now. They have the money. People need to eat. Why don't you just give them the money? Is how I say it.
Right.
Yeah.